channel, The Shining Shana, and Shana is back again with a new video. And yes, this video is all about my professional makeup collection in 2021. The things that I like, the products that I like and I like swear by, and that are holy grail products for me. So I'm gonna show you all that. The part 1 of this video, I will link it in the I button over here. You can go and check that out. And in that I've covered the foundations and makeup kits. Now in this video I'm going to cover primers, concealers, powders, blush kits, and contouring kits and highlighters. So it's going to be a lot of it, so stay tuned for the video. It's going to be a lot informative as well, and बहुत से टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स भी छुपे छुपे हैं इस वीडियो में, तो आपको वीडियो पूरी देखनी पड़ेगी तभी तो मजा आएगा. सो या लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. So yes, the first sector that I want to cover today is the primers. So we have 3 primers that are the best primers for me. The first one, let's cover this. The first one is L'Oreal based Magique primer. So this primer retails for around 1000 rupees. I will link the price over here, and this primer will go for from dry to normal to combination skin type, and it's not good for very oily skin, but yeah, combination skin can use it. After applying it, your skin will feel smooth, your skin will feel like a smooth canvas for makeup, and the foundation will glide on really easily, and it will definitely close the pores. So but yes, someone who has really large pores, this won't work for them. So anyone who's having, so let's move on to the second one. This one is my favorite, my most favorite, the Professional Primer from Benefit. So yes, the Professional Primer for Benefit, as the name suggests, that it helps in filling the pores. Some people who has really large pores, it really helps to fill the pores for them, and it's really good for the oily, very oily skin. So any person who has combination to oily skin can use this beautiful, amazing primer. Next, let's move on to my recent favorite primer, which is from Recode, a new brand from Dubai, and this brand is doing really good in lipsticks, in primers and eyeliners. So my favorite from their primer is this mattifying primer. As the name suggests, this is from combination to oily skin. It is written for all skin types, but definitely dry skin types cannot use mattifying primer. And this is Ace of Base primer, and it works wonders. It is as equally good as the Benefit Professional, so you can try this. This does retail for 800 rupees only, and this is worth the price. So please go and check this out. This is my new favorite. Already iski tube khatam hone wali hai. I've been using it on my clients and on myself as well. So the primer section is done. Now let's move on to the concealer section. So concealer section is really important. It is really important to have concealer in your vanity. So concealer has different functions. Some concealers are used for highlighting purpose, to bring the light on your face. That concealer is used after the foundation, and some concealers are used for camouflaging, and camouflaging is done before the foundations. So concealers has different functions. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक कंसीलर ले लिया और आपका काम खत्म. In bridal makeup, concealer has different functions. It is used before foundation as well. It is used after foundation as well. So you have to decide what concealer, what type of concealer you need to go for. So it's a very deep theory, but बीच में मैं आपको थोड़े से tips and tricks देती रहूँगी. So stay tuned for that. अब आ रही है tips and tricks. So yes, let's move on to the concealer. First of all, we bridal makeup artists love palettes. So I'm going to introduce to a palette. This is from Anastasia. It is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is in the shade medium. You can get this on any Instagram page. I will link the page from where I got this. So this palette contains cream, banana, warm coral. Warm coral is definitely a blush color. So it has like ash brown, chocolate color for contouring, cinnamon and cream and banana for concealing. So yes, these are the colors. Basically, now the tip starts here. So what you can do, you can buy this type of palette for your self makeup as well. How you can use it? First of all, it will give you a blush color as well. Second of all, it will give you contouring color as well, and even you can use these colors as your eyeshadows, brown eyeshadows. Second, it will give you a concealing color, it will give you a highlighting color, and it will like solve all your problems. So what happens is when we camouflaging दो तरीके से होती है. एक तो कलर करेक्शन से होती है, जैसे ऑरेंज और ग्रीन कंसीलर यूज करने से. दूसरा, जहाँ जहाँ आपके डार्क सर्कल्स हैं, जहाँ जहाँ आपकी पिगमेंटेशन है, ऑन दोज प्लेसेस यू हैव टू यूज डार्क सर्कल के कलर का ही, आपके कॉम्प्लेक्शन का नहीं, डार्क सर्कल के कलर का ही कंसीलर आपको यूज करना चाहिए. दिस स्टेप इज बिफोर फाउंडेशन. मेक श्योर यू आर हेयरिंग इट राइट. दिस स्टेप इज बिफोर फाउंडेशन. आपको डार्क कलर का कंसीलर यूज करना है अपने डार्क सर्कल्स के ऊपर. डार्क कलर का कैसे? जैसे मेरा कॉम्प्लेक्शन फेयर है, बट मेरा कॉम्प्लेक्शन मीडियम फेयर है बेसिकली, बट जो मेरे डार्क सर्कल्स हैं वो थोड़े से ब्राउनिश टिंट में हैं, थोड़े से डार्कर हैं देन माय ओन कॉम्प्लेक्शन. तो मैं वो वाला कंसीलर नहीं यूज़ करूँगी जो मेरे रियल कॉम्प्लेक्शन से मैच करता है. मैं वो वाला कंसीलर यूज़ करूँगी जो मेरे डार्क सर्कल से मैच करता है. So that must be around like 1 or 2 shades darker than your own complexion. तो आपको उस कलर का कंसीलर यूज़ करना है. सो आप उस कलर का कंसीलर यूज़ करके अपने फेस को कैमोफ्लेज कर सकते हो, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ करेक्शन एंड कैमोफ्लेज इज डन. आप बहुत बढ़िया फ़र्क देखोगे. एंड इफ़ यू रियली वांट see a video on it, let me know. I will explain each and everything in detail for you all. मुझे बस कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दो. आप लोग बताओगे, इंटरेस्टेड होगे, तभी मैं लिखूंगी ना, मैं ऐसे नहीं बनाऊंगी ना. So please let me know. So yeah, this was a tip. Whenever you have to camouflage or hide your dark circles without using a foundation, so before foundation, or if you don't want to even use a foundation, just use a dark color concealer which is closer to your dark circles color, okay, dark circles tone and your pigmentation tone. Just use that color and your pigmentations or dark circle will fade away like this. And अब point आता है कि हम लोग concealer अपने shade का कैसे buy करें. You will, अगर आप first time buyer हो, definitely you will have to visit the store and try the concealers and try the products. And please जो shopkeepers होते हैं ना वहाँ के, वो उसी मेंटालिटी से आता है, गोरा 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 गोरा, काले को भी वो गोरी फाउंडेशन पकड़ाते हैं. प्लीज लाइक यूज योर ओन माइंड, यूट्यूब, गूगल, की आपके ऊपर कौन सा कलर, कौन सा शेड बेस्ट लगेगा. सो प्लीज डोंट गो ऑन देयर सजेशंस. दे सजेस्ट रियली बैड फाउंडेशन कलर्स और कंसीलर कलर्स फॉर एवरीवन. उनको नॉलेज नहीं होती इतनी जितनी नॉलेज आप गूगल से या यूट्यूब से ले सकते हो. प्लीज, ओके. सो दिस वन इज डन. लेट्स क्लोज. नेक्स्ट वी हैव these concealers. So my favorite concealers, let me just start with number 1 concealer, which is from the brand. I am taking all those concealers, मतलब almost मेरे सारे concealer इसी brand के. So let's just keep aside everything. So this is from the brand LA Girl. Okay, yes, you can see how much I have stocked the LA Girl concealers. I have the camouflaging concealers, I have the correcting concealers, I have the highlighting concealers. So for camouflaging concealers, I have the orange and green from this brand and yellow from this brand. And for the highlighting purpose or other purpose, I have these concealers. So these are my most favorite concealer. Here I won't tell you medium fair light के लिए क्या क्या होगा, because it will get a lot confusing for you. ये बहुत ही deep theory है, so I am not going to tell you all that stuff in here. It's very deep theory. So let's keep it aside. Over here, now these 3 concealers I only use for highlighting. I don't use it for camouflaging or correcting the flaws. You know, these concealers are only used by, I only use this concealer after the foundation. Let's keep aside. So next, my favorite concealer is from this brand called PAC. These are 2 concealers that are from PAC. PAC has 2 different range. First range is Take Cover Concealer and the other is Spotlight Ready Concealer. My favorite is Spotlight Ready. So from Take Cover, I only use this orange concealer. That's it. And my most favorite, अगर आपको Tarte Shape Tape के competition में कोई concealer लेना है, because Tarte Shape Tape is really expensive. It's on high end side और आपको थोड़ा सा affordable side में जाना है, so you can go for PAC. So PAC Spotlight Concealer gives you the coverage as equal to the Tarte Shape Tape. And so yeah, you can go for this. This is my shade and this is the highlighting shade for my skin tone. This is 03 Sand. This is amazing. You can go and get any kind of your shade in isme. They have a lot of shade. This is really good. It gives a coverage which is equal to Tarte Shape Tape Concealer's coverage, so it's really good. So go for it. And yeah, जरा सा ही बहुत होता है ये. So next, let's move on to powders. So these were the concealers that were my favorite. Okay, let's move on to the powders. So yeah, powders. So for powders, I have these three. Let's separate this. So we have these three powders. So let's just tell you which one is which. This one is Laura Mercier, the high end, the very expensive one. And this is a very finely milled translucent powder. So all these powders are translucent. Translucent powders are those which doesn't have any color, or they are not opaque, and they are not going to give you any coverage like compacts. Okay, compacts have colors. So this is only going to set your foundation on place and mattify your face. So yeah, so this is my most favorite. I use it for bridals or my own makeup. जब मुझे किसी का भी मेकअप करना होता है, शादी भी जाना होता है. Next, it's very nice. It gives you a very airbrushed HD look. So go for it. अगर आप पैसे खर्चना चाहते हो, so go for this. Next, affordable range में you have this pack translucent powder. This is in shade TL02. This is also amazing. This is also very finely milled powder, but not as good as Laura Mercier. Obviously it's high end, तो इतना finely milled नहीं है. You can still see it. जबकि जो let me just show you. I've cleaned it. Let me just show you the Laura Mercier. So इसको मैं ऐसे रब करूँगी. It will just fade away really easily. So you know, it has faded away. And if I talk about this, in my middle finger I have the translucent one. So you can see कि ये ऑलमोस्ट मिक्स हो गया है मेरी फिंगर में. इसका वाइट स्वैच काफ़ी ज़्यादा है मेरी फिंगर पे. लेट मी जस्ट रब इट मोर. सो इसका वाइट स्वैच, वाइट कास्ट आप अभी भी देख सकते हो. तो इनकी किसी की भी फ्लैशबैक में वाइट कास्ट नहीं आता. Don't worry, they both are really good. This is also HD translucent powder. It gives a very airbrush HD look. I will keep it on the number 2nd and number 1st to this. Next, I have the banana powder. Banana powder, you know, it gives a very nice brightened up look because it is in color yellow. It is also a good translucent powder. So high definition powder from HD. It is in shade banana. So this one is also really nice. It has a tint of yellow since the name suggests. So you can go for this as well if you are looking for a brightening translucent powder. It does have a little bit of tint, just a little bit. So now the powders are done. Let's move on to the blush palettes. Okay.